Now it's still silent. I want to add a little word on this. Thank you very much, Avaya, for this reward. This is a really nice appreciation for our team. But actually I would like to dedicate this award to the partners who made this happen, because those partners are the ones who deserve the applause, your applause, because they made a strategic decision to invest in Avaya by joining in our campaign, Top Sales Academy, with 6 in total new guys and a lady, to write history with selling success. A big thank you also for the team who's over there. I wish you all good luck and happy selling. Thank you.